Okay, chickens, you're on video. Look good here. Hey, Blackie, we want to see how handsome you are. Here, you're not a rooster, are you? You haven't crowed yet, anyway. The Lakenvelders are growing. Got an egg from one yesterday. Little Red's been laying there. And the Americanas has been laying okay. She's a good layer, aren't you? Come on, let me see your face. There you go. And Mr. Black is looking, Mrs. Black, looking good. Good looking bird. Big. Big. Yeah. Facebook birds. Look at them. Yes. Making nice eggs for us. OMG. Bye.